Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking the watch off and checking its water resistance. That determines what you can safely do. Once done, detach any straps that can be removed because leather and fabric need different care. Prepare a bowl of warm water with a drop of mild soap and lay out a soft brush and microfiber cloth. This first step minimizes risk and lets you work methodically. It prevents soap or moisture from getting into vulnerable areas later. You now clean the watch case. Dip the soft brush in soapy water and work gently around the crown, lugs, bezel, and caseback to lift dirt without pushing it deeper. Make sure to keep the crown screwed down. If the watch is rated for water, a brief rinse is fine, otherwise use a damp cloth. Once the grime is loosened, wipe with a damp microfiber, then dry thoroughly, using a blower or a pointed tool wrapped in cloth to clear tight crevices. You finish by treating the straps. Leather gets only a light wipe and conditioner to preserve oils, while metal bracelets can be brushed and briefly soaked then dried completely. Reattach straps, make sure crowns and pushers are firmly closed, and verify the watch keeps time correctly. If you notice any condensation under the crystal, that's a sign moisture got in. Stop wearing the watch, open it only if you're qualified, and send it to a professional for drying and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.